Students, in this video, I am going to solve question number 6 from exercise 6.3 for class 9. The given question is like this. In the given figure, the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S if the bisector of angle PQR and PRS meet at point T, then prove that angle QTR is equal to half angle QPR. That means just try to understand the question. Look at here. As PQR is the triangle, PQR is the triangle, and it says that the side QR is produced to S. Here is S, and the angle bisector of PQR, that means this line, and angle bisector of PRS, that means this line. These are the angle bisector. Both the angle when we produce it meet at the point T. Name is at a T. Then you have to prove that angle QTR, that means this angle is equal to half of angle QPR. This angle, that means this angle will be half of QPR. These things you have to prove. Now see how can I will prove it. Just see the picture. This is the given picture. Now concentrate in triangle QTR. Look at here. This is Q, this is T, and this is R. So in triangle QTR, it is clear that this angle is the exterior angle, and it will be equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. That means sum of this angle and this angle. Just I write it. So the exterior angle is written as a TRS. Look at here, TRS. This is the exterior angle, already written here. It will be the sum of two interior angle. That means angle will be look like QTR, that is this angle, and another angle that is TQR, that means this angle. So I can write it. Look at here, the sum of this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. So this is written here. Now transpose TQR from left to right, it will be minus. Then we got angle QTR is equal to angle TRS minus angle TQR. This is equation 1. Now see again. Now you concentrate in the picture, that is triangle PQR. Look at here. This is the triangle PQR. So in this triangle, we use the exterior property. That means this angle will be the exterior angle, and this angle will be equal to the sum of two interior angle. That is this angle and this angle. That means sum of these two angle will be equal to this angle. Just I will write it. Look at here. In triangle PQR, PRS is external angle, this one. So QPR, this angle, plus PQR, this angle, is equal to PRS. Just I write it. Now here you have to understand some lines. Look at here. As this is the angle bisector, so if it is X, then it will be X, and I can write angle PQR as a 2X, is not it? So X is angle TQR, so it can be written as a 2 angle TQR, isn't it? The value of angle PQR. So I just write the value of PQR. Look at here, 2 angle TQR. Similarly, as TR is the angle bisector of angle PRS, so if it is Y, then it is also Y, and angle PRS can be written as a 2Y, is not it? This one and this one. So the value of Y can be written as a 2 angle TRS, is not it? TRS. Just I have used these things here. PRS can be written as a 2 into TRS. Okay. Now transpose 2 into angle TQR from left to right side, then you got 2 angle TRS minus 2 angle TQR. So here 2 can be common. If 2 can be common, then we got TRS minus TQR. Look at here. So you got this line. Now we will put the value of TRS minus TQR from equation 1. Just see once again the equation 1. Look at here. TRS minus TQR, that is angle QTR. We will put the value of TRS minus TQR as a angle QTR. Just look at here. Angle TRS minus TQR, that is angle QTR. So it will be 2 into angle QTR. Now 2 angle QTR is equal to angle QPR. So angle QTR will be angle QPR by 2, that is here. This is you have to prove. So this is proof. Thank you.